Do tar and rubber removers really work? Today, we're gonna find out. Oh, look at this. Adhesive is coming right off. We're gonna put some elbow grease into it, Steven, don't you worry. No problem. We got nothing. Today, we're gonna be using Gyeon's Q2M tar remover, and we're gonna compare it against a non-tar remover specific product. Today, we're gonna be using some Griot Speed Shine. We're gonna section out the hood, and we're gonna do an agitated and non-agitated side with the Speed Shine, and we're gonna do an agitated and non-agitated side with the tar remover and see what kind of results we get. Does this actually work? We're gonna start with the Speed Shine. I'm gonna go ahead and spray down the passenger side of the hood. Then we're gonna take our towel.
You're a towel!
Give it a wipe. Again, this is right after washing this car. We got nothing.
You got nothing!
For the next section of this, I'm gonna go ahead and spray in the detailer, let it sit for a little bit longer, and then go hard with the detailing rag and see if we get any of this rubber off. Again, an alternative to this would be using WD-40, which I highly do not recommend, or some dish Dawn soap, but again, that's gonna strip the finish from your paint, leaving it unprotected and making it worse off in the end. So, barely anything. Without denting the hood, nothing came off. So, now comes the true test where we take the Gyeon Q2M tar remover. We're gonna start by spraying it on, letting it sit for a minute or two. And now we'll go ahead and let it sit for a minute or two, and then we'll go ahead and spray it off. As you can see, that didn't really work. I really expected at least some of the big chunks of rubber to come off, especially since we were power washing everything, but that doesn't mean that agitating it might not work.
60% of the time, it works every time.
So hold tight, we're gonna give it a shot, and I'll spray it down, I'll hit it with the towel, and then we'll hit it with the pressure washer, and we'll see what happens. Oh, look at this. Adhesive is coming right off. This also works as a good adhesive remover. You're trying to get residue off from old stickers or old emblems. Again, my good people, this is worst case scenario. We have a white vinyl hood that's been baking in the sun for the last 6 years because I don't want to say any names, hasn't washed their car in 6 years, but we're gonna give it our best shot. And then from there, we're gonna go to our glossy vinyl, which I guarantee you will work just fine. No problem. This actually worked really well. Why did it work? I mean, this stuff smells like Gyeon. Honestly, it's just the citrus acids breaking down the rubber on the paint. But the best part about it is that it's pH neutral.
You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
It's not going to damage the finish on your paint. It's not going to damage the finish on your trim or any glass that you're using it on. I'm actually going to go ahead and spray the rest of this hood down. You guys are more than welcome to hang out and watch that. But if I was using Speed Detailer or any other product versus the tar remover, I'd be here all day. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up. If you like this video though, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions on what we used today or you want to see us do it on a specific part of the vehicle, leave it in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. We make new ones all the time. As always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.